Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to connect and buy with Tapswap on Bitget. Firstly, of course, sign up on Bitget website if you don't have an account and verify your account. Now, go to the Buy Crypto section and choose your payment method. Select credit or debit card, add a new card, and then complete the payment to deposit orders to your Bitget wallet. Just enter card details, select your preferred fiat currency and enter the amount you want to spend. Confirm payment to complete the order. Bitget charges 0 fees for this method. You can also buy with crypto or third party in the navigation bar, then place your Tapswap order via the supported third party gateway. Or also it's available under Buy Crypto third party to buy with Google Pay or Apple Pay. Simply select your payment option and complete the secure checkout. Now after the payment is successful, the Tapswap tokens will be credited to your Bitget account. You can view them under your Assets tab. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.